In today's digital age, your website is your window to the world. Introducing Excel Media Group, your web design partner for success. Our team of skilled designers is dedicated to one mission: crafting websites that shine. We understand that in a world where aesthetics and user experience reign supreme, your online presence is paramount. That's why our design philosophy is rooted in user centricity. We meticulously map out user journeys to ensure effortless navigation. Our UI and UX experts collaborate to strike the perfect balance between aesthetics and usability. But we don't stop at appearances. We dive deep into your brand's narrative. Every design element, color palette, and typography choice is thoughtfully curated to align with your brand's values and messaging. Your website becomes a canvas that not only captivates visually, but also effectively communicates your unique story. Ready to embark on a web design journey that prioritizes your users and your brand's narrative? Contact us today, and let's craft a web experience that sets your business apart. Excel Media Group, your success, our design.